How's it going, guys? Now here I'm back with another unwrapping video of a DVD copy that I got in Italy. Here, as you can see, this. Only got it for kinda cheap, only almost 10 euros, so not too much. I got the movie Devil's Due here. Of course, here is an Italian. Now here, around. Now here, I'm going to be unwrapping it. Alright, here. Just took the wrapping off. And here's the copy. Now the inside. Alright, here the disc. And yep. Alright. No. Here. It's just like that. And yep. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unwrapping video. And I've already done a review on this movie, so you can check it out. And that's gonna be it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. Bye.